In 2026, the skies over Eastern Europe are no longer quiet. As war echoes across borders and alliances shift, Poland has emerged as a key guardian of NATO's eastern flank, armed, upgraded, and ready. With cutting-edge American F-35 stealth fighters, South Korean FA-50 light combat jets, and a rapidly expanding missile defense network, Poland is no longer just a buffer state, it is a rising air power of its own. In this cinematic deep dive, we explore how Poland's Air Force, once modest in size, has transformed into a modernized aerial strike force with stealth, precision, and NATO-backed technology. Poland's fighter fleet in 2026 is centered around 3 aircraft that define its multi-tiered strategy: the F-35A Lightning II, the F-16C divided by D Fighting Falcon, and the newly introduced FA-50 Fighting Eagle. The crown jewel of Poland's air arsenal is the American-made F-35, a 5th-generation stealth multi-role fighter that has redefined air dominance. By mid-2026, Poland has received over 20 F-35s out of its planned 32-unit order. These aircraft operate from upgraded air bases with hardened hangars, NATO surveillance grids, and Polish-trained pilots ready for joint command missions. The F-35's stealth shaping, internal weapon bays, and powerful sensors allow it to operate deep into hostile territory without detection. The Polish Air Force employs it for reconnaissance, precision strike, and command roles during simulated and live NATO war games. Alongside it, the Trident-tested F-16s form the backbone of Poland's air patrols. These jets have been upgraded with AESA radar, conformal fuel tanks, and modernized glass cockpits. Finally, the FA-50 light fighter, a compact yet lethal Korean jet, serves as both a trainer and frontline attacker. Poland's doctrine in 2026 revolves around flexibility: stealth for surprise, speed for interception, and volume for defense. Inside the cockpit, the 2026 Polish Air Force reflects a digital revolution. The F-35's cockpit is minimalist but futuristic: a wide touchscreen interface, helmet-mounted displays projecting radar and targeting data directly into the pilot's view, and fully networked communications that link with NATO satellites, AWACS aircraft, and ground forces. F-16s, though older in design, now carry color multifunction displays, HMCS helmets, and data-link connectivity. The FA-50, originally designed as a light trainer, has been enhanced with mission computers, GPS-guided targeting pods, and night vision-compatible systems. Pilots across all platforms train in virtual simulators that replicate battlefield conditions, complete with enemy radar tracking, missile locks, and terrain masking maneuvers. Every Polish pilot today is also a digital operator, trained not just to fly but to manage a battlefield from the sky. Through Link 16 and MADL protocols, Polish aircraft coordinate in real time with NATO assets in Germany, Romania, the Baltics, and even deployed forces in Ukraine. In 2026, Polish cockpits,